How to withdraw money from Kraken to bank account. In order to do this, you first need to come to kraken.com and log in into your account. Over here on the home page, you will be able to see your portfolio value and a bunch of other options. Among these, you will notice the last option is of withdraw. So you need to simply click on the withdraw option and then you will be landed on transfer. Make sure that withdraw is selected over here. Once you have done that, you just have to simply select that particular crypto or the coin that you want to withdraw. So you need to simply tap on this drop down menu and select your coin. After selecting it, you just have to simply select the currency in which you want to get the money in your bank account. So you just have to simply select that. Afterwards, you need to select your bank account. So you need to tap on the drop down menu and you need to select any of your bank account. Then you need to press continue in the bottom. Afterwards, you just have to simply agree to some of the terms and conditions and press continue. Then it will ask you to add a new bank account. So you need to provide your banking details like description, your name on your account, IBAN number or the account number, bank name, SWIFT code, and the bank address. Then you need to simply add your bank account over here. Afterwards, you need to tap on the withdraw option in the bottom, and then on the next page, you just have to simply withdraw your money into your bank account by following further on-screen instructions. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.